Jet Lili Angie, courtesy name Yang Zhang, born the 26th of April 1963, is a martial artist, actor, and philanthropist. With a career spanning more than 40 years, he is regarded as one of the most iconic Chinese film stars and one of the greatest martial artists in the history of cinema. His film career in Asia is credited with reviving Hong Kong Kung Fu films, as well as Shaolin Temple. Li was trained as a wushu athlete at the Beijing Shaky High Sports School and went on to win multiple national championships with the Beijing Wushu team between 1974 and 1979. After his retirement from the sport in 1979, he made his acting debut with the Hong Kong film Shaolin Temple, a runaway success followed by two sequels in 1984 and 1986. Li established himself as a leading action star with the Once Upon a Time in China series, in which he portrayed Chinese folk hero Wang Fei Hung, followed by Born to Defense, which is his directorial debut, Swordsman 2, Fong Sai Yuk, Fist of Legend, High Risk, Black Mask, and Hitman. Li made his Hollywood debut as a villain in Lethal Weapon 4 in 1998, followed by his first Hollywood leading role in Romeo Must Die in 2000. He went on to star in international productions such as Luc Besson-produced films Kiss of the Dragon and Unleashed. He starred in The Mummy, Tomb of the Dragon Emperor, and The Forbidden Kingdom, which marked his first collaboration with fellow Kung Fu star Jackie Chan. From 2010 to 2014, he appeared in the first three of the action film series The Expendables. As a philanthropist, Li founded One Foundation in 2007, which was registered in 2011 as the first private charitable fundraising organization in China. He also co-founded Taiji Zen, an online health program providing instruction in meditation and Tai Chi. Li topped Forbes' list of China's richest stars in 2004 and ranked 10th on the Forbes China Celebrity 100 list in 2004, 3rd in 2008, 6th in 2009, 24th in 2010, 8th in 2011, 22nd in 2012, and 41st in 2013. He was named by Time magazine as one of the 100 most influential people in 2010. Li was born in Beijing, China, and was the youngest of two boys and two girls. His ancestral home is in Shenyang, China. When he was 2 years old, his father died and his family then lived in poverty. Personal life. In 1987, Li married Huang Qiyan, his Beijing Wushu team fellow member, and kids from Shaolin co-star. They have two daughters, Si and Tammy. He met actress Nina Li Qi during the filming of Dragon Fight in 1989 and divorced Huang in 1990. In 1999, Li married Nina at his villa in Arcadia, California, which he owned from 1998 to 2004. The couple have two daughters, Jane and Jada. In 1997, Lee obtained U.S. citizenship, which he renounced in April 2009. And July 2009, Amy Jo Wayan, then executive chairperson of the One Foundation, confirmed that Lee had become a Singaporean citizen in 2011. Lee confirmed his Singaporean citizenship. In 1998, Lee converted to Tibetan Buddhism when he was promoting Lethal Weapon for in Taiwan. His master is Lo Kunsang. In 2013, Lee revealed that he suffers from hyperthyroidism and had been dealing with the issue for the past 3 years. In 2016, Lee stated that he was accepting fewer film offers due to his charity work rather than his illness, from which he had recovered. Lee likes to play badminton and table tennis, ride his bicycle, read and meditate in his free time. He collects rare Tibetan beads. Lee, as a Buddhist, believes that the difficulties of everyday life can be overcome with the help of religious philosophies. He thinks that fame is not something he can control, therefore, he does not care about it. I never say to myself I'm the best fighter in the world. If someone learns martial arts solely to pick fights on the street, to lean on it as a keystone weapon in conflicts, to use it to bully and intimidate others, then that person, in my opinion, cannot be considered a true martial artist. According to Lee, everything he has ever wanted to tell the world can be found in 3 of his films. The message of Hero is that the suffering of one person can never be as significant as the suffering of a nation. Unleashed shows that violence is never a solution. And Fearless tells that the biggest enemy of a person is himself. Lee thinks that the greatest weapon is a smile and the largest power is love. Welcome to the amazing world of 1000 Vlogs.